dahil ganitong age natin tinuruan si Hershey, mga idol. Ngayon, ito naman si Suhe, yung pinakabunso, yung tuturuan natin mag-sit. Kailangan, paamoy mo muna sa kanila yung treats na papakain mo sa kanila. Oh. Oh. Sit! 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 Ay, very good naman. Sit! Very good. One more. Oh, stay. Ay, very good naman yan. Very good naman ikaw. Shake hands. Oh, one more, one more. Oh, ito pa. One more.
Tignan yung anak mong isa doon.
Hey! Ikaw? Meron ka na. Meron na. Sumusobra na. O, tas kukunin mo rin to. Ikaw? Sobra na, ha? Sobra ka na. Huwag ka tatabi sa akin mamaya. Crunchy. Huwag kang lumapit kay Hershey. Ilang beses na yan. Tignan mo. Kung ano yung malaki, yun yung kinukuha. Masyadong alpha tong aso na to. Halika, dito tayo. Dito. Huwag mong gagayahin yung nanay mo. Sit! Stay! Ay, very good naman ikaw! Very good. Shake hands. Shake hands. Ay, ito hindi ko pa pala nabigay. Shake hands. Shake hands. Oh. Shake hands left. Shake hands left. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Oh, left naman. Left. Ito yung left. Ito yung left. Ito yung right. Oh. Game. Shake hands. Left. Very good. Oh. Sit. 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 Ay, very good. Galing mo. Nagigigilak sa'yo. Shake hands muna. Shake hands. Left. Right. Shake hands right. Shake hands. Ay! Sit. 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 Hey, Pachi. Sit. 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 Pachi. Come. Sit. 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 Very good. Shake hands. Tama na. Nakarami na.